Good job. Now, start out with that opening form. That opening form, standing up nice and tall right after that Wushu salute. It's just a step out and then rise and sink. As you breathe in, breathe out. This opening form, centering that mind with that body. You do this one time, do it 100 times. It's your personal practice. You just sit here till you're ready to go into that form. You're ready to begin. You just breathe in, breathe out. And if this is all you do, that's fine too. Just breathe in and out. Big breath in, blow that candle out. Those hands can go way up and go way down, or they can just go right about chin level, go just below shoulder level. No bend in the knees, or no bend in the knees. Just a little bit of movement. It's your practice. Find your rhythm. Do what suits you here. Find your rhythm. Find your breath. Open that heart space. Push down. You know when you find your rhythm, start to smooth out. Know how to hit that cruise control.